This is fit for a 2016 through 2019 and likely beyond Ford Explorer with factory installed flush side rails which have fixed point connections on the inner edges. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Rhino-Rack RCH Vortex base roof rack system. The system is using the Vortex Aero load bars in black, 54 inches in length, the RCH legs which include locks, and the vehicle specific fitting kit which includes the contoured rubber bases and metal brackets and fasteners to connect to the fixed point connections on the inner edge of the flush side rails. This is part number RCP45-BK. Here we have the crossbars positioned approximately 39.5 inches from front to rear, center to center. There's also a closer crossbar spacing at approximately 28 inches. Maximum weight carrying capacity is 165 pounds, evenly distributed. There is no interference with the full operation of the sunroof when equipped. This product and the full line of Rhino-Rack products are available at rackoutfitters.com. Please see the link in the video description for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions.